Hi guys, welcome back to Valentino TV. This is Shelly, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute beginner 3D flower. I'm going to be using diamond gel to adhere my stone. So for this one, I want to make a very simple side 3D flower. So I'm going to use this stone as the middle part of my flower. Let's cure that for 30 seconds. I'm also going to be using the number 103 from Valentino to create my 3D petals. Looks dry. So I placed my small bead of acrylic. I'm waiting for it to polymerize on top of the nail, giving it enough time for it to dry out. When you see that it's matte, then it's good to work with. Now I'm going to grab the tip of my brush and meeting my crystal, I'm going to push and then I am going to pull. Now with the tip of my brush, I go side to side. I'm going to grab my second bead. It's still a little wet, so I'm going to wait for it. Now I'm grabbing my third bead. Now I'm going to push in the middle and pull. When it comes to 3D, it's all about consistency. You have to make sure you give it enough time for it to dry out. Now I'm going to go in with my fourth bead. I'm going to push and pull. Now I go side to side to open up my petal. Basically, it's all about placing your bead, pushing and pulling. I'm going to go with my last bead. I'm going to push and I'm going to pull. Then I go side to side. Now I'm going to add a couple of stones just to give this design a little bit more depth. So now I'm going back with my diamond gel to adhere the stones. I am going to apply 2 of my bigger stones just to use them as a guide. Then I'll figure out where I need to place my smaller stones. That's about a size 8 in a crystal. Make sure you don't overflow with your diamond gel because you want your work to look nice and clean. So now we're going to cure this for 30 seconds. So I hope you guys liked the beginner 3D flower with crystals. Thanks for watching.